Welcome everyone.
Welcome everybody.
Today, it's a different type of live stream. We have these exactly. One of our viewers already said it. CUBI NUCs.
Indeed. My name is Erik.
And my name is Monkit.
Yeah. Today you didn't have an intro with all the movie and stuff because these are more commercial products. So we also painted everything blue. Well, our designer did.
Yeah, except the MSI Insider logo right in that corner there.
Don't touch our logo.
That's our logo. That's something we don't touch. But the rest of the assets, it's blue.
Yeah, I hope everybody is enjoying the holidays. So today we're going to talk about these two products. So we have one CUBI NUC AI and one CUBI NUC AI Plus. And this one is brand new, right?
Yeah.
And this one is
a little bit older,
like a few months old.
Yeah, because it's still using the chip of last gen, and this one is using the more recent one.
Okay.
But
so
like
monitor
Eric
we're going to talk later about. That's also for the QD demo.
What am I using? It's also a commercial monitor, so it's not a gaming monitor. As you can see, it has a webcam and everything already on it, so that's different about it. Also different functions.
We have a giveaway, so if you want to join our giveaway, you can go to msi.com/2/insider or on YouTube and Twitch, some of the channels we stream. There is a Gleam link, you can click on that, participate. Most viewers already know how. And today we have a Steam wallet code.
Steam wallet code,
We didn't want to give away a game because but you can still buy a game or save for a game.
I'll put a little bit lower so people can see that a little bit better.
Let's start.
Yeah, let's start. So
we go to your presentation first.
Yeah.
Because later we will unbox the products. Am I allowed to open one?
Yeah. I think the watchers will love it. You're gonna screw one open, which will be this one.
But like I did in the past?
That I don't know. I don't think I have been there in the past.
Okay, well I have. There are rumors I'm not allowed to open one anymore.
I heard that you broke one in the past before.
Yeah, the rumor has.
That's why you will open this one, and this one stays whole.
Well, I'm not allowed to remove the cooler from the chipset and the CPU.
That's fine. That's fine.
Because it seems last time some corner broke or something. And it didn't work anymore. Anyway, that's another live stream in the past. So let's go to your PowerPoint, Monkit.
So the reason why we actually are talking, don't give Eric expensive things to hold. The reason that we are actually talking about this topic is, there's one big reason actually. And I think a lot of users have been getting a notification on their computers that they have to switch to Windows 11 because Windows 10 end of support is coming. And that's happening in October this year. And you might be thinking,
like 3 months time.
Yeah. So that's
which date do you know?
Ooh,
exact date?
Exact date, no.
Yeah, so it could be even less, like 2.5 to 3 months,
But I know a lot of people are used to Windows 10, but
I love it.
Yeah, well, I'm very used to Windows 11 already. I switched quite early in the stage.
I have Windows 11, but I still use the Windows 10 start menu.
What do you mean? You put it on the left side or something? Oh no, I like it in the middle. It's fine. No, but Windows 11 comes with other features, of course, AI-powered features that are not available on Windows 10.
Oh, one time AI. I'm going to count them today.
It's going to be hard. The word is already in the product.
What word?
The letter A and the letter I.
Okay, that's 2.
No, I didn't use them together.
I'm going to open up an Excel.
But also future-proof technology. There might be things coming in the future.
Future-proof technology like?
No.
AI?
I already said that.
3.
So.
Okay.
But Protection, protection in your security, those things matter a lot, and Windows 10 will not be getting any more patches regarding those, so security incidents will rise if you don't switch to Windows 11.
Especially security, I think that's important.
That's
for
one of
a lot of business owners,
yeah.
but also for consumers. There is a lot of spyware, ransomware, especially ransomware. If it hijacks your PC, you can lose potentially a lot of data.
Yeah. Because these are the differences between Windows 10 and Windows 11. So you will not be getting any more security patches, while Windows 11 will have ongoing updates, of course, with TPM 2.0, Secure Boot and BitLocker. Performance, in most cases, I think, will be improved because you have AI efficiency. Faster boot times, and multitasking is improved, and all those things can be improved through AI.
Okay, 5. Just continue.
On Windows 10, like I said before, there are no AI-powered tools, while on Windows 11, you have Copilot, for example. That's one of the key features.
What is Copilot?
Copilot is an artificial intelligence software.
I count that at 6.
But also security compliance, like I said before, Windows 10 does not feature all of these modern compliance standards. Some of these standards that you can think about is, for example, GDPR. GDPR is the European legislation about privacy. So companies are not allowed to use your information without your consent. These are very important reasons, actually, because data is actually everything.
Data protection, indeed, big topic nowadays, especially with all the geopolitics going on from all sides.
Yeah. But we're not going to go into politics. That's another type of discussion. But before we head to the CUBIs, one of our viewers was already asking what type of monitor is that. It's a Pro monitor. As you can see on the left side, on the top left side, we have Pro monitors, and then on the top right side we have all-in-ones. So those are monitors and PCs built in one, meaning you don't need a separate system that you need to hook up to your screen. No, everything is built inside the monitor. Then we have the CUBI NUCs, as you can see right here in front of me, the two of them. And then we also have Pro DP80s.
Well, the Pro DP series.
Pro DP series.
Because we have the DP21, which basically is like
21 liter?
21, I hope not.
No, 2.1, sorry, 2.1 liter. Then you have DP80, which is 8 liter, and then 180 is...
the big boy. Yeah. We will also do a future live stream of one of these. Which one will it be? Probably 80 or 180?
80.
80, okay.
Yeah, the Pro DP80. And the reasons for these Pro DP series is these desktops have a integrated, dedicated graphics card. So it's
more
powerful than a CUBI. But then again, a little bit bigger as well. So as I said, well, we're going to talk about the CUBI NUC AI series and the AI Plus series.
That's 8.
But when we look at products of MSI, we look at productivity, reliability, and operability. That's what the PRO stands for. So yes.
Somebody in the marketing department needs to make a new plan for the boss. What can we do with Pro?
Add words to it. But
hey, Dragon Intelligence, nice one.
Wait, is Dragon Intelligence something old? It is, right?
No, that all sounds like AI.
No, but isn't that something from the past? Or was it Dragon Center?
They have Dragon Center, we had it all.
But here, this one. This is the CUBI NUC AI series, which has a processor of the Meteor Lake series.
Yeah, so it's a mobile series, already a bit older, but quite powerful. If you talk about Meteor CPU, you talk about 28 watt in this one. This is the 155H, right?
Yes.
Yeah, in this case we have the Intel, what is it, Core i7-155H, which is a 28 watt CPU, but that can go up to 135 watt in turbo performance. And on this side?
We have the CUBI NUC AI Plus 2MG, which has a Core Ultra 7255V? Yeah, no, 258V.
Yeah, and that is the code name previous Luna Lake.
Yeah, all these lakes are so confusing.
No, well,
for me.
this is both are mobile platform, but that one is the 155H is more like a mobile CPU, and this one is more like an ultra low voltage, but also mobile platform. So you see there's a lot of in notebooks, but also some other devices like this one. And this one, I need to check the website. We're talking about 17 watt base power up to 37 watt. So it's a totally different beast.
Yeah.
But that one has, of course, more cores than this one. This is, let me see, let's say total 8 cores, 4 performance cores, and 4 low efficiency cores, low power efficiency cores. Yeah.
But this has more than 40 tops.
Yeah.
Which therefore it classifies as.
What is tops?
Terra.
No. What does it do?
Oh, it's for AI
okay, yeah.
AI applications.
Yeah, that's 5 times.
Oh, you're trying to get me. Ah, okay, I see.
Yeah, just want to have some more.
This one has less than 40, which in the end classifies as Copilot PC only, so not Copilot Plus. So Copilot Plus functions cannot be used on this one, on the AI one.
Later we will talk about in a bit. We will talk about VGA connections because they have a different configuration, but they can do up to 3 to 4 screens.
Yep. So with the CUBI NUC series, the AI Plus, you might
unbox them.
You might think that the AI Plus has been.
Does this work?
Yeah. You might think that the AI Plus has been would have gotten bigger, but in this case, that's not true. It actually remained the same size. As
it's especially because it's a different CPU from a different segment.
Yeah.
This is the ultra low voltage segment. So you talk about fewer cores, but also only, what did I say, 17 watt power, base power.
Yeah. Here you have the power brick. I'll just leave the plastic here.
Is this readable? Barely.
Copilot, Indiana Roy from YouTube is asking what's the benefit of Copilot Plus. I'll explain it a little bit later. This is a power switch, external one. So if you don't want to reach out to your CUBI and to turn it on, you can also use a power switch.
Later we will do live demo.
So are all ultra small form factor called NUC now?
Yeah, I think this is one of the definitions for this segment, which Intel invented. So yeah, it's now NUC. So this is the AI Plus, right?
Yeah.
This is the smaller one?
Yeah. No, this is the same size as the regular CUBI NUC series.
Later we will talk about you will talk about all the buttons, right?
Yeah. So this is, let's say, the more high-end version, so the newer version, but different CPU. So then we have another one. This is CUBI NUC AI, so not a Plus version. You know, before the live stream, I called them CUBI newbies.
Yeah.
Yeah. Another power cable, another power brick, another power switch. So power switches are always included. Then you have this plate for mounting it behind your monitor.
What do you call it? Display?
No, VISA plate.
Oh, a plate. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Then we have this. You'll see the difference in size, actually. This one is actually quite small. If you compare it to the other one, It's really small.
So, which is this one?
That's the CUBI NUC AI.
So the AI Plus is bigger.
Yeah.
Oh, then I said it wrong. But that is because it has a lot more connectors and Thunderbolt.
Yep, and also more, I would say, security features. Because, for example, here you can already see that it has a fingerprint sensor. So there are extra gimmicks. I won't call them gimmicks. Extra security features on this one. To make it also called AI Plus. Another example, I'll be talking about most of it later, is also the mics here on the top. There's 2 small holes here.
Okay.
Yep.
So I can talk to my PC.
Yep. You can actually...
I already doing at home, but it's not responding.
So this is for this here, and this is for
Let's maybe put them on top of each other, then you also see...
The NUC stack.
Yeah. So yeah, it's like what is it? 5% smaller?
Yep.
Maybe.
Well, if you compare it to liters, it's like it's at least 300 milliliters less. If you compare it to like a laptop, if we go to the main screen, you can actually compare it to a laptop, and you can see quite the difference. Or use the phone. So this is really what it looks like. So you can hold everything in one hand. And if you put it behind your laptop, it's just one small part of your laptop. So it really is small.
It's a bit thicker than my laptop.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Oh, I can leave that.
But all of them support Thunderbolt, Thunderbolt 4. Meaning you can use it to use it for display. So if your display supports USB-C and you have a cable, so it's important that you have the correct cable to get a display display output from Thunderbolt. You cannot just use any random USB-C cable and connect it and hope to get a display or power delivery input or output. You need a cable that's strong enough for that.
Like signal strength.
Yeah. But there was one question, does it have HDMI? Yes. The smaller one, so the AI, actually has two HDMIs. So that means this smaller one, the CUBI NUC AI, supports 4 displays. So you have 2 Thunderbolts and 2 HDMI. But the AI Plus only has 1 HDMI and 2 Thunderbolt.
So this one can up to 3 displays, and the AI can go up to 4 displays.
Yeah.
But you need to have the correct displays, right? One will be connected via mini DP.
Yeah, so
Thunderbolt.
yeah, you have 2 that needs to be connected to Thunderbolt, and then
signal.
this one through.
Yeah.
So a viewer was asking what monitor am I using? So I'm using the Pro MP242. Yeah, PMG. And that one actually supports PowerLink, as you just saw earlier on my on the CUBI NUC.
We'll demo that later.
Yes. So our business products, so commercial products, they are currently being used in, for example, in schools, hospitals, education,
shops,
the hospitality industry, shops, everything. Why? Because these can be mounted. They can be mounted everywhere.
Yeah.
Therefore,
very small PCs, and you don't need a lot of performance room.
Exactly.
For example, cash register or a kiosk demo or inventory, these kind of things inside a kiosk. So, but also, I mean, this is more for the commercial business, but also a lot of power users, end users are buying them. Because this can be used as a home center for Plex, these kind of solutions. But also to...
Because you run a mini PC at home as well, right? Yep.
But yeah, that's for a server, for like NAS solution, more like that. Not ideal, but you can also use it for that. I mean, it's entry level for that. You need to write software and configure it. So a lot of applications.
So somebody asked earlier in chat, what's the benefit of Copilot Plus? So with Copilot Plus, you have, besides having the regular Copilot PC functions, you also have Co-Creator. So Co-Creator helps you design your drawing. Actually, I will show most of these functions later for you guys. But Co-Creator, if you draw like one line and you type in a prompt, and you will type in arrow, it would create an arrow out of it. So it helps you in creating pictures or images.
What kind of tools are these?
Copilot Plus tools. AI tool.
Okay, just to be sure.
Live captions. This one is actually really handy for me because I was watching some videos in Italian. Don't speak Italian, but live captions actually captures what your PC is actually outputting sound-wise, and it actually translates what's being said in the video.
Real-time translation.
Yeah, real-time translation. Yeah. Recall is a function that allows you to it records what you're doing, and then you can go back in your timeline. So in your recall timeline, you can go back to a certain period to look back what you were doing or what you were searching at that moment, for example. So it's more of like a summary of what you were doing.
Recall, there is a lot. I mean, I think earlier this week somewhere, Microsoft opened up in the European market. There's a lot to do about privacy features. I saw, I don't know which browser, maybe Brave browser or something else. They were blocking it because of the privacy issues. It was also recording content from Telegram channels, for example, which by default should be secure and private. So yeah, a lot of things to do, but I didn't test it yet, but it seems to be like a useful feature if you're using a lot of data on your computer and you want to go back, okay, where did I do that, or where did I use that data? So, and with Copilot Plus, this will be speed up, because these features you don't have if you don't have the right NPU performance.
Exactly.
So with the AI Plus, these features are not usable, they're not available, but with the AI Plus CPU, these are available because you have enough NPU speed, 40 TOPS, you need minimum for that.
Yeah.
And now there are not a lot of CPUs in the market which can do this, but yeah, in the coming year, of course, each future CPU will support these kind of things. Yeah. Well, not each, but many will.
One thing you need to remember is that the CPU needs to have the TOPS, so you cannot run Copilot Plus on like NVIDIA graphics card. That doesn't work.
No.
We have click to do and restyle.
These are no more the business features, right?
Yeah, these are more business features, things that a daily user can actually, people at the company, that they can use this to boost their productivity. Then we go to reliability. So I have a small video, short video, to show you how we actually test our products to make them reliable.
Well, to make sure they are reliable.
Yeah,
they don't get more reliable because of this. But if it fails, we can go back and improve where needed.
Yeah.
And if these tests don't break it, they always have me.
Sorry guys, but I will not live demonstrate this because then I'll be blamed for breaking a product.
Well, that's a pity. Michiel was last week. He was last week in Taiwan, and he arrived back this morning. But he's going on holiday again. So, but I think 2019 we had a live stream from Taiwan, and we also showed some of these things in that live stream. How we do the testing in issue. Also acoustic, etc.
Vibrations, humidity tests.
Humidity tests we also showed with ovens, indeed.
Yep. So we do all these types of tests to make sure that you have a product that lasts long and does not malfunction easily. So of course you want a product that lasts for like many years.
Yeah.
And that's one of the most important things. When a company buys a product, they want it to be robust, reliable, that it doesn't break easily. These things are very important because it's an investment for them.
Yeah.
But when talking about security, so I showed you guys earlier, there is a fingerprint sensor right here on the power button, so you can actually use this to unlock your PC. But first, you would need to have be logged in on your Outlook. Well, I wouldn't say Outlook, on your Microsoft account, and this is stored locally, so it uses Windows Hello to make sure that you can utilize the fingerprint feature. But yeah, another.
I also use it on my notebook. Very convenient.
I don't think I have that, or I have it, but it's here. I think it's on my power button.
Oh yeah. Okay.
But I haven't. I don't know. I haven't taken a moment to do it.
I'm always complaining to you when I have a wet finger, like from when I come back from the toilet, and I wash my hands, to be clear.
Yeah.
But then it doesn't work. It's not convenient. But like you see,
I guess.
I hate to type my password.
Yeah, because now I have to type my password, and of course it's like a difficult password with like small letters, big letters, numbers, and stuff like that. So yeah, it does get annoying.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, and then all the symbols on the top. No, but it does get annoying if you have to keep typing your password. But yeah, with this function you can just unlock it. Like some phones still have it, I think. I don't have it anymore. This fingerprint unlock.
No, mine is looking at the face.
Yeah, mine is with the face as well.
Yeah.
So yeah. I think they were done with collecting your fingerprint. Now they need your face data.
That's okay. Well, the fingerprint is stored locally, so no security concerns over there.
Yeah. But yeah, we also upgraded our fans. So we actually changed the amount of blades on the fan, and also have a new fan curve. So based on AI, so we use the MPU features.
I'm counting.
We use the MPU features that is connected through MSI Center, so you can then turn on a AI engine to make sure that this is done automatically, so you don't have to pay attention to it. Someone once told me you either get ease of use or more security, but not both.
That's probably correct. Well, I would say the future will go to a password-less. There are a lot of with passkeys and these kind of things, so which is more secure and more easier. But yeah, nothing is really 100% secure.
Yeah, everybody can always get hacked.
Yeah. This is green screen.
Yeah, green screen.
I can show you like this. Yeah, the real environment.
No virtual cameras.
No. Okay.
Hi, Kelly.
So they both have 2.5?
Yes. So we actually have 2.5 gig LANs here. This is very important for companies that have, for example, multiple internet connections on their in their company.
Or internal network, external network.
Or you can actually use one for the intranet and the other one for the internet.
Yeah.
So, but also, let's say your company has 2 internet connections and one doesn't work, but the other does. You can use one of the ports to you can actually troubleshoot everything. But it also means that you can just jump over to the other connection, which in the end, all of this creates network redundancy. But
And both models come with Wi-Fi 7, right?
Yes. But there are SKUs with Wi-Fi 6.
Yeah.
So
these are these models. There are two models here.
Yeah.
We have them in the market available in different configuration.
Yeah.
For example, this one, the AI. For example, and it differs per country. In Germany, we're selling it, for example, with a with a Core i7 and 1 terabyte of storage, but also with an i5 with 512 terabytes. Sorry, that's gigabytes. Huh?
Gigabytes, yeah.
Gigabyte of storage.
512 terabytes is a lot.
yeah, indeed. Future.
But yeah,
so you're saying some SKUs have Wi-Fi 6E?
Yeah.
Of Wi-Fi 6?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So make sure when you're buying one to check the specs.
Yeah.
To make sure, what you need, which CPU, how much storage, which Wi-Fi. I mean, for some people it might not even matter because they're going to use cables. So, but when we're talking about these small PCs, they're also created for a reason. So we want to reduce your workspace, but we also want to reduce waste. So we built these PCs for sustainability. And, okay, I'm not going to read the chat for now. These are made for with sustainability in mind as well. So earlier when I was unpacking everything, the package was in
you can show,
carton.
Right?
Yeah. Like, yes, we do have still have some plastic left. It's a process. But for example, this, to protect the CUBI, is all carton.
PCR, so that's a recycled carton, right?
No, this FSC.
Oh, that's FC.
Yeah. PCR is plastic.
Oh, that's a plastic recycled, yeah. So
Yeah.
the tooling.
The case itself is PCR, so post-consumer recyclable plastic.
Yeah.
And then you have FSC cartons, so they're made from wood pulp. And so is like the rest of the package.
That's how we do it, man, kid. You didn't know? On top of the table, everything pretty much neat. Below the table, big mess.
Yeah.
At home, it's different.
And somebody said, "Wow, your stream is so clean." No, only if they knew.
We can preview the cable mess here. Actually, we're going to move. We're going to build a new studio.
Padorian
and then
Gray
we hope
said
to improve some things.
It's easier to drop over $500 on a GPU than it is to upgrade network gear, since you don't really see such a dramatic improvement. It really depends on your internet speed as well. So
your network would be
your network provider. For example, let's say you pay for 2.5 gig. Then you will notice it when you go from a 1 gig router to a 2.5 gig. It's almost that's 2.5 times the speed.
I think with downloads you don't know that, you know.
I know this because there's still friends of mine that download with 100 Mbps, and I have 1,000. So for me, if I want to play a game, I only need to wait 5 to 10 minutes.
So you are faster, and still you need to wait for them, for your friends.
Yes.
So you pay more, you're faster, and you still need to wait.
I mean, I can already.
Stupid example.
Okay, no, but
let's continue.
Okay.
No, nothing fell off the desk.
yes, Vetrom, something fell off the desk. But then we go to our factory actually. So in order to make that sustainable, we actually installed solar power systems in our facilities. So what you see in the image right now are actually solar panels on top of the MSI factory. And this factory was in China, right?
Yeah, we have several factories in China and Taiwan as well.
Yeah. But another great function, MSI power meter.
We can demo this later, right?
Yeah. We have multiple functions here. Calculator actually allows you to calculate how much energy you're using right now and how much that would cost on the long term one-click power saving. So when you use one-click power saving, you reduce the CPU performance, and all these things. That setting can be adjusted to your liking. So let's say you wanted to reduce the CPU power usage to 50%, then just change the slider to 50%, and it's done. And then energy recommendations. So when you click on that, when you click on energy recommendations, it actually goes to the Windows. The Windows, I wouldn't say page, the Windows section. So when you open settings, what do you call that? It just goes to the Explorer, and then it actually shows you the ways to make your PC more energy efficient.
Mm-hmm.
But we still have more fun things with these CUBIs. So
I think we're going to show this, right?
Yeah.
With this one?
Yeah, no, with this one.
Okay.
So operability. So these are small PCs, and I told you guys earlier that it's easy to kind of like hide them. So when you get a monitor,
Maybe
a pro
pull the
monitor,
yeah.
like this one, it comes with a VESA plate. That's this. I can show you guys really close to the camera. This is actually hooked up to the back of the monitor. So,
You need my help? I can do
No.
this. Oh, okay.
and then you actually mount this one to the back, and that's how you can hide your CUBI. But you might be thinking, okay, how do I turn on? Yeah, the monitor that was intended for the stream. We think ahead. We come prepared.
Not always. Most times not.
But all of these CUBI NUC, so the CUBI NUC AI and AI Plus, also have HDMI CEC power link. So actually, it's just called power link, but it uses HDMI CEC. So what's important is that
You have an adapter for power as well?
oh wait, I didn't unpack that yet. So
Let me do it.
yeah. The other way around. No, you don't need to do that one. I already have
Okay.
one connected.
Only one or 5?
No, one. Because this power connector is a little bit different.
Oh, Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, it's a Mickey Mouse at the. So you click that here so that it has power.
The keyboard mouse? Oh, you don't need it. Not for that.
No,
okay,
not
okay.
for this one.
I'm going to switch to this camera.
So I told you that I need to turn off the monitor first to show you guys.
So, yeah, now the monitor is off.
So the CUBI has power link, and that means if I turn on a monitor, so if I turn on this will turn on by itself.
That's fine.
No.
So I see the LED switching on, the monitor switch on,
And the CUBI turns
switch
on.
Okay, so in other words, if you put it on the back, you don't have to do very strange things with your hands.
Yeah.
You can just easily switch on the
You
monitor.
can just leave this on the back,
Yeah,
and it will turn on.
yeah.
But
Oh,
we have another solution.
okay.
So I'm gonna force shut down this CUBI.
That's this, right?
Yeah. Okay.
This is to launch nuclear missiles.
Eric, I have a feeling that there's a mess and trash under your desk.
No! How? Okay.
No. Under your own desk, not
home.
here. At home, yeah.
At home, okay. I almost.
I forgot. Wait.
At home it's different.
Wait,
At home the desk
can
is
you-
all my mess and the ground is quite clean.
Can you do a giveaway
Uh-oh.
while I'll grab?
I'm going to do a giveaway.
I need to grab something to pull this out. I forgot.
You saw preparation 0.
Or 0?
0. Okay, we're going to do a giveaway.
Be right back.
Let me open. Oh, I have that here as well. I'm going to do 2 giveaways. Winners. Let me first refresh this. If you want to participate in the giveaway, Steam wallet code, you can go to msi.com/2/insider or on Twitch and YouTube, click on the Gleam link. Draw winners. I'm going to do 2. Okay, draw. One moment. So the first 2 winners is to do, and the second one is Yukio. Congratulations with your prize. We will send this in the coming days to you by email, and enjoy it. And my kid left the building, I believe. Okay, so again, to do and Yukio. First 2 winners of today. Later more. Mute the other mic. I'm afraid he will go to the toilet. I cannot mute the mic over here, and he probably forgot, so I don't know what he's saying or doing. Monkit preparation. Hey Monkit.
Jeroen had to fool around.
Everybody heard you.
Yeah.
Because your mic is still on. So we were hoping you went to the toilet, but you didn't.
No. No, they probably heard Jeroen.
Yeah.
Because Jeroen saw me, he's like... and I said, live.
Okay. So
and
what did you take? Just okay.
A tweezer. Because we actually need to pull this out.
Yeah. What is it? Just protection, like a jumper.
Yeah, it's to protect the jumper, and then you actually...
This.
So...
So this... oh, here. Yeah?
And then you can actually put it in here.
We still have some plastic on.
Yeah, that's fine. So now it's connected, and if I turn it on, I click here.
Yeah.
Hey, it works. See, I told you, prepared.
Not really.
No, I am. It's just the tweezer wasn't here.
Okay, so we have the VESA mount. The tweezer wasn't here.
Power link and a power switch. Now. Oh, now I notice that your hair has grown a bit. Yeah, I let it grow long, but I'm also too lazy to go to the barber.
All the doors and echo.
Yeah, but this kind of shows you that we soundproofed our streaming room. Because here, when we talk here, you don't hear our echo or whatsoever.
Yeah, but we're moving, so in half a year we will be probably in a different location. We moved our warehouse. Maybe we can do a live stream about that, or about a new warehouse.
Yep.
Or an old warehouse. It's empty now. We're the only ones left in this building. Last standing man.
Yeah, it's only our department that's left in this building. Sometimes it feels like a ghost building.
It really does. But it doesn't matter.
But yeah, easy maintenance and upgrade design. What?
Screwdriver.
No, he's gonna break. Wait, I need to turn it off first. Let me turn off the. No. Just let me turn it off here. Wait. Thank you. Okay, it's turned off. Okay. So to show you that it's easy maintenance and upgrade design, Eric is carefully going to screw open.
You can continue. I'm just going to remove 4 screws.
While he unscrews it, I also have. Oh, this one is part of that.
Oh, I will put it in.
In the CUBI NUC AI Plus 2MG, so that's the bigger one with the fingerprint sensor and the Copilot Plus functions. There's also a built-in mic, and I showed, Eric actually showed earlier the 2 small holes on the top. Can you perhaps switch to the camera? Then I can show it myself.
No,
okay. You haven't switched.
It says a message, something, file sharing. Well, I don't know. I don't know about that.
Yeah, so these are actually mics. So you need these to communicate with Copilot. So you can actually talk with Copilot if you need any request or if you need help. There's a mic function if you don't want to type, so that can be incredibly useful when you're working. And then there's a speaker, and you might think, oh, this is the speaker. No, 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 no. This is the LED light for when it turns on. There's actually a speaker built inside, so it's actually not visible on the outside. So here I have a sheet
with specs, yeah.
With the specs. So these are the SKUs that are available. So there's a SKU with the Intel Core Ultra 5, but also one with the 7. And then you can also see that the storage can be expanded, and also the amount of storage that you can actually that you can expect. Also, oh sorry, that's hay fever. So oh wow, here already unscrewed everything.
Yeah, actually it was more easy than
the last
than
one?
I was doing. I mean, yeah, I had some problems with the screw, but let's have a look. So basically, this is the bottom. There are 4 screws. Oh, sorry.
You know what? I'll hold the camera,
Okay.
and you can actually.
Yeah.
Oh, I turned off Firefox.
Oh my God, monkey preparation or fat fingers.
Fat fingers.
Okay. So 4 screws at the bottom. You just unscrew them, and then, well, I needed to do a little bit like this, and then it comes off. So here you directly see the cooling pad, indeed, for the M.2, which is over here. So this connects like this. And yeah, this is easy access, what we're saying. So you can easily upgrade it. You can take out the memory. You can upgrade the memory. You can take out the SD, upgrade the SD.
Get another SSD.
Yeah,
but
indeed.
then a different size.
This is a small form factor, indeed. So this is the.
This is the 2242.
Yeah.
And the other one is the 2280.
Yeah, indeed, 80 centimeters. And this is a smaller one.
80 centimeters, you mean 8 centimeters.
Oh, 8, sorry, 8 centimeters, 80 millimeters. Yeah, you're correct. So it's important to put this back in, Market, can you zoom in? Yeah. To put this back in the right spot.
Because otherwise...
I'm not sure if it will work like this. No, it's not symmetric. Cool. But yeah.
But as you can see, there's also a small heatsink here on the top, a copper, I think a copper heatsink, so that the SSD heat can be dissipated into it. So it helps a lot with the cooling.
This dissipates the heat also into the tooling, so the bottom of the machine, so larger surface.
So you can actually see,
cooling.
Yeah. So you can actually see the rest of the case as a
Heatsink?
Heatsink, heat dissipator.
Yeah. And it's easy to close.
And its warranty has expired. Says who?
No.
We'll just cut this part from the video.
Yeah. No, it's to upgrade. But you know, if you buy the right specs, you don't have to upgrade it on short term. That's something for the future.
Yeah. And then here, this is the CUBI NUC AI Plus 2MG specification. So up to 48 tops. So 48 tops is for the highest SKU, which would be the Intel Core Ultra 9 288V. But something you do have to keep in mind is that when you get the highest SKU, so the Core Ultra 9, it's memory on package, meaning the memory is actually soldered to the motherboard.
Yeah, but which is also annoying. You cannot upgrade it, but on the other hand, it also is faster.
It does not remove upgradability in general, because you can still upgrade the SSD.
Yeah, but you cannot upgrade the memory. There are no SO DIMM slots for that model, and that's only with i9.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, let's say I didn't open this one more than than only for the upgradability, because I can also remove the PCB and the heatsink, so I don't have to pray. I only have to hope. Yeah, indeed. Correct.
We have one question from Osmar Fonseca Victoria from LinkedIn. Are those NUC products already in Mexico?
We don't know the availability exactly per country, but the AI should be already available. The AI Plus is
quite new, so that one might not be in your market. But
I saw also in Europe it's not yet available.
Yeah. So I would ask you to contact your local MSI representative.
Yeah, or MSI distributor.
Yeah.
They can tell you the schedule.
Can tell you. Yeah. Yep. But that's it for the information slides. But I want to show you guys how the AI Plus works. I'm gonna remove my laptop. Oh wait, I actually need the laptop.
Amateur.
Oops.
Soon they will think you never prepare.
No, I'll put the laptop somewhere safe for now.
That's far away from me.
Yep.
Okay, so we're going to use the AI Plus.
Yeah. We're just gonna use the same.
Can you use the same power supply? Oh yeah, like that. I just switch it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's possible.
Should be more power efficient, so for sure.
Yeah, exactly. The bigger one, it actually uses
HDMI
less.
And
let me see. The HDMI I can take from here.
we cannot capture this one, can we?
Oh right.
Preparation, man, kid.
No. Wait a minute. We can, but I cannot see anything. Wait a minute. No, we can, because I'm quite sure that this monitor has USB-C. Oh no, never mind. Okay, well guys, I'll show you guys how it works anyways. I will not have a monitor. You guys will be
able to see it,
but I cannot see it.
You can see it on the capture. Yeah, man, kids. That's what other people do. That's before they start something, they prepare, and then they actually.
Okay. What I can do is grab a mini screen, and then I can see what I'm doing.
Yeah.
I have solutions.
So I'm not. Yeah, he did prepare, but he just didn't think about if it would work what he prepared.
No.
I will switch it on.
A lot of things make sense in your head.
Oh, you have your fingerprint.
Oh no, you press the Copilot button.
Yeah.
No, you can.
Yeah, but you have fingerprints.
No, but it doesn't.
It's for login.
Yeah.
Okay, it's switched on. So I'm going to disk capture market.
Yeah.
Is this okay? Yeah, it's booting. So you plug in your keyboard. You have a wireless mouse.
Should I ask headquarters if the CUBI still has a warranty? Okay, so I don't have to type anything. Use my finger.
I can show that. I can show that.
It's not recognizing. Okay, it is.
We're too late.
Too late. I put my finger here and then it would unlock. This is going to be a challenge.
No, well, you have glasses. I didn't put in my contact lens, so...
Yeah. So one of the things that I want to show is actually Co-Creator. With Co-Creator, we will go to Paint. And then here you actually have Copilot, and then you have all these functions.
This one has one HDMI port and two Thunderbolt ports, which is Type-C. So you can connect 3 monitors. The other one, the smaller one, the AI, actually has 4 ports in total, so you can connect 4 monitors. But we're now live demoing on the AI Plus to show you the Copilot Plus features.
Wait.
You want me to enlarge the screen, Monkit?
No. It locked me out. I thought I was already signed in, but oh, this is a lot better.
I know.
I think it's this one. All right, internet.
Okay.
No wonder it's not signed in.
If you're prepared, you also use you connect your internet connection. I have one here. This one.
Oh yeah.
Not sure if it's connected. We didn't test, but
yeah, it is.
I'm sure after this live stream we will have a meeting about Monkit and preparations.
See, Monkit has not aged well. What do you mean?
I think he means that you didn't learn anything from your monitor BIOS of your monitor firmware update live stream.
Oh no, not that again. Okay. So what we're gonna do here, I will draw, for example, a couple lines in red or any color you want. But for example, I'll draw like 3 lines. And I can tell them dragon logo. Well, that's not bad, right? I mean,
it's red.
Oh. The thing is, like, if I try to if I try to draw this myself, if I try to copy it now, I don't think I will get anything close to this. But you can also change the creativity level.
You're blocking the creativity.
Yeah. If I go to 95, then you will see it changes, and it turns more into something that fits the description.
Indeed, what Vecht Tom is saying. It looks like an armchair, what you draw. Can you maybe say, make it an armchair? And it will still make a dragon. Okay. I want that armchair.
Yeah, but then I think we need to lower the creativity. And then it looks something more like what I'm doing. Somebody said, as for an MSI Lucky Dragon logo, I think I would need to redraw everything. Don't save.
Can you draw?
No. Can you draw? Here, you can draw.
Like a dragon?
Yeah, draw.
Oh, I didn't mean that I can draw.
No, but you can try. Now we can laugh.
Dragon, one eye, second eye. It actually became his nose. Oh no, it's like a frog. And then a dragon is like a tail.
It's already better than my 3 lines.
And then the dragon has claws. Yeah, I don't have my contact lenses in. What? Oh, dragon has fire. We take a yellowish. Do you have other brushes? Ah, we need brushes. Creative with Erik. Okay, yellowish. We need something which is on fire.
Somebody said chameleon.
What chameleon? It's family of a dragon.
This does not look like a dragon at all to me.
What has a dragon?
It has wings.
I'm not finished yet. This is like a chicken wing. Oh, that's the one.
Chicken wing? So it's a chicken dragon?
This is like a wing. And a dragon has like ears or something.
Oh no. What is this?
Should I write here it's a dragon?
No.
That AI knows it's a dragon. Otherwise maybe it will render an armchair. Okay, you go type.
MSI Lucky Dragon.
Should I maybe?
Let me see. Let's see if they pick up this prompt. If they actually do make something out of it. Oh.
It's searching its database, data points. Oh, you also typed logo.
Yeah, somebody wanted a logo.
Okay. I didn't know then. I would have drawn it differently.
Oh yeah, sure.
Are you still sure it's working?
I think it can't make anything out of your. Oh.
I didn't break it.
Oh wait, what if I put creativity to max?
Yeah, it's a Pokemon. Pokemon.
I just think that it can't make anything out of this, or they don't know what lucky is.
You didn't remove Lucky.
So let's remove. Let's see if we do MSI Dragon logo, if they can make something out of it.
And Monkit, this is also preparation.
I cannot prepare what the people want.
No. You should do different.
I cannot prepare what the people want.
You should pay a visitor to ask the question you want. That's preparation.
I have zero budget.
Okay, yeah, that's also true. Okay, anyway, this is the. I mean, people already saw it's working. Let it. Yeah.
Yeah. While it's running that, no, I don't want to do this right now. I want to show live translation, live captions. Was it this one? Yeah. Now we actually go to YouTube.
Uh-oh. It's better that I switch away, or can you... Monkit?
No. I don't have a screen to...
Okay. That's true.
Okay, is there someone here that speaks a different language than English? Yeah, okay, not you.
Wait, I'm here.
Someone that can kind of like...
Better don't do with YouTube, Monkit, because you will get blocked.
Blocked?
Yeah, if you show another video with copyrights.
Oh, yeah, okay, wait. MSI, Italy. Where's MSI Italy? MSI Gaming Italy?
Preparation. Okay, next demo, Monkit.
Well, for the other demos, we actually need to have points, and I don't have points.
Okay, preparation.
I'm not gonna buy points.
I speak full, lol.
I'm not gonna.
Can you show the power meter?
Yes, of course. No, I need to turn on MSI Center. I realize my head is blocking everything.
I can remove you.
No. So here you can see how much we're using right now, and there's a graph here to show you how much you've been using every day, like on that certain day. Right now you can see that there's barely a graph to see here. That's because it has rarely been used.
It's a demo model, so
Yeah.
You did a video recording some weeks ago.
Yeah.
2 weeks ago or something, yeah.
And here you have power saving, but as I said before, here you can change the CPU usage limit, but you can also fully turn it off. And here you have a calculator, if you know how much you're paying right now, and it will calculate the energy cost for you. So, and this is to check how much wattage you're using to make your to make it more sustainable for yourself at home. So things that would benefit from this would be your electricity bill, for example. Not just yours, maybe the electricity bill of your company. They might like that as well if they just limit your CPU usage. But before we end the stream, I have a sneak peek of a video that was just upload it.
This is the one you created, right?
Yeah, this is the one that I created together with.
You need your notebook.
Yeah. This is something that I created together with our video editor, and
maybe we first talk already about what we're going to do. Not next week, right?
no, this is the week after.
The week after. We're going to have a live stream. Yeah, actually our schedule for the coming week. So next week we don't have live stream, holidays and stuff. The week after, on the 13th of August, Wednesdays at the same time, we're going to have a live stream about monitors. Don't know which one exactly. We have two models here, mini LED and an OLED.
Yeah.
And don't know if you're already allowed to show the mini LED in that live stream. We will see that. But then we can do a compare between mini LED and OLED.
Yeah, so the pros of a mini LED and the pros of a
Yeah.
OLED, and also the cons of mini LED and the
Yeah.
cons
So
of OLED.
also benefit is Mantkit has 2 weeks to prepare.
Oh, I'm not doing that live stream.
Oh,
It's you and Peter.
Oh, you are the expert. So.
No.
And the week after, I think this the Wednesday the 20th. Yeah. We will have a special live stream, probably 1 hour later, from Germany, Gamescom. So each year, Gamescom, we are not really visiting Gamescom itself, but MSI Germany has its own area in the neighborhood of Gamescom. There will be a lot of media over there. We have a lot of products for all business units over there, which we will talk about during our live stream. But we will also launch some new products, a new motherboard lineup. Yeah, I can say that. But that's all. So there will also be a press conference. I don't think we will cover the press conference. That will be before our live stream. But that will be on the 20th.
Yeah.
So stay tuned. So you, Mantkit, you have something?
Yeah. You can change the screen.
Okay. I go to this one.
Yeah.
So this is a video you made with Robin together, right?
Yes. Why is it not playing?
I don't know.
Ah, here.
With audio?
Yeah, it is with audio.
Okay, cool. Then I will shut up.
So yeah, that's me. That's how we create our MSI logo.
Oh, everybody has your fingerprint.
Oh no, there goes my data. It's not in a CUBI anymore.
Oh my god, I'm late. Yeah, you're really late. No, this cannot play games. This is really, I mean, it has an integrated GPU.
It can play games, but not at an acceptable frame rate, I would say.
No, this is not for gaming. Sorry. So, thank you all.
Yep, thank
That's
you.
for this week. Next week, no live stream. Mantkit is preparing the stream for the 13th.
No, guys, not gonna be me.
And the week after, on the 20th, we are live from Gamescom. Thank you all. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Bye bye. Take care.